Easy rituals with cinnamon and cloves to attract money. Ready to attract money in an easy, quick, and effective way. The combination of cinnamon and cloves is a magical formula that not only attracts wealth but also protects and opens paths. Here you have new and different rituals that will help you achieve the prosperity you deserve. Ritual 1. Abundance Circle. Materials: 5 cinnamon sticks, 7 cloves, 7 coins. They can be of any denomination. A green candle. Steps: place the coins in a circle. In the center of the circle, place the cinnamon stick and the cloves. Light the green candle in the center of the circle. Visualize how money flows to you as the candle burns down. Danasik. This ritual activates the energy of money in your home and attracts financial opportunities. Ritual 2. Fortune Bag. Materials: a small golden fabric bag, 7 cinnamon sticks, 7 cloves. A bill. It can be of any denomination. Skaks. Put the cinnamon stick, the cloves, and the bill inside the bag. Close the bag and tie it with a red thread. Carry it with you in your purse or wallet to constantly attract money. Benefit. This bag attracts money and good fortune wherever you go. Ritual 3. Prosperity Bath. Materials: 9 cinnamon sticks, 7 cloves, a handful of sea salt, a green candle. Steps: boil the cinnamon and cloves in water for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and add the water to your bathtub along with the sea salt. Light the green candle and soak in the bath for 20 minutes. Visualize how the water cleanses you of all negativity and attracts prosperity into your life. Danasik. This bath cleanses and protects your energy, attracting abundance and prosperity. Ritual 4. Abundance Spray. Materials: 5 cinnamon sticks, 7 cloves, distilled water, an empty spray bottle. Steps: boil the cinnamon and cloves in water for 10 minutes. Let it cool and strain the mixture. Pour the liquid into the spray bottle and shake it well. Spray this in your home, especially at the entrances and in your workspace, to attract prosperity. Danasik. This spray cleanses and protects your space, attracting positive energy and opportunities for prosperity. Ritual 5. Prosperity Stone. Materials: a stone. It can be quartz, citron, agate, or any stone that you like. Ground cinnamon, 7 cloves. Scats. Sprinkle ground cinnamon over the stone. Stick the 7 cloves around the stone, forming a circle. Place the stone in your workspace or at the entrance of your home. Danasik. This stone acts like a prosperity magnet, attracting opportunities and protecting your space. Ritual 6. Fortune Candle. Materials: a white or gold candle, ground cinnamon, 7 cloves. A bill. It can be of any denomination. Steps: sprinkle ground cinnamon around the candle. Stick the 7 cloves into the candle, forming a circle. Place the bill under the candle. Light the candle and visualize how money flows to you steadily. Danasik. This ritual attracts quick money and opens up paths for new financial opportunities. Ritual 7. Incense of Abundance. Materials: a charcoal for incense, cinnamon sticks, 7 cloves, a teaspoon of sugar. Steps. Place the charcoal in a heat-resistant container. Add the cinnamon, cloves, and sugar onto the lit charcoal. Let the smoke fill your home or workspace. While you do this, repeat. Abundance, prosperity, money, come to me. Dunasit. This incense cleanses bad energies and attracts prosperity into your life. Ritual 8. Wealth Amulet. Materials. An old coin or a legal tender coin. A piece of golden fabric. Ground cinnamon. 3 cloves. Scuts. Sprinkle ground cinnamon over the coin. Place the cloves around the coin and wrap it in the golden fabric. Tie it with a red thread and carry it with you in your bag or wallet. Dunasit. This amulet attracts money and protects your finances. Ritual 9. Prosperity Water. Materials. A clear glass jar. 3 sticks of cinnamon. 5 cloves. Mineral water. A teaspoon of honey. Scuts. Fill the jar with mineral water. Add the cinnamon, cloves, and honey. Close the jar and let it sit under the light of the full moon for 1 night. Spray this water in the corners of your home or your workspace. Dunasit. This water attracts positive energy and opens paths for abundance. Ritual 10. Treasure Box. Materials. A small box made of wood or metal. 7 gold or silver coins. 3 sticks of cinnamon. 5 cloves. A bill. Steps. Place the coins, cinnamon, cloves, and the bill inside the box. Close the box and paint it with a touch of gold or green. Keep it in a special place in your home, like your bedroom or your office. Dunasit. This box acts like a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Ritual 11. Abundance Infusion. Materials. A cup of hot water. A stick of cinnamon. 3 cloves. A teaspoon of honey. Scuts. Boil the water with the cinnamon and cloves for 5 minutes. Strain the infusion and add the honey. Drink this infusion while visualizing money flowing towards you. Dunasit. This infusion attracts prosperity and fills you with positive energy. Ritual 12. Wealth Altar. Materials. A golden or green tablecloth. A gold candle. 7 coins. 3 sticks of cinnamon. 5 cloves. A piece of citron quartz. Steps. Place the cloth in a dedicated space. Place the candle in the center, surrounded by the coins, cinnamon, cloves, and the stone. Light the candle and meditate in front of the altar for 10 minutes. Dunasit. This altar attracts abundance energy and helps you stay focused on your financial goals. Ready to transform your life with these rituals? Try one today and share your experience in the comments. Don't keep the magic to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also attract prosperity into their lives. Follow me for more tips and powerful rituals that will help you achieve your dreams. Together, we'll create a path full of luck and success. See you later, friends.
Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.